In the financial services industry, of course, AI is being used in various different ways, ranging from sort of decision-making aids to fraud detection to all sorts of operational efficiency improvements. My area particularly deals with remote customer service and advice. So how can we better serve customers in digital channels, remote channels? And there we are looking into using a collection of artificial intelligence solutions. I think it's still early days in deploying artificial intelligence solutions to their best benefit. So there's still a little bit of an air of let's try out these tools, they're really cool, instead of looking at what's the problem that we're trying to solve and what's the business benefit and value that we can get out of these solutions. So we are moving in that direction, but really I think we need to look more at the end-to-end processes and look at combining artificial intelligence with RPA and with other analytics and other tools and systems. There's other barriers, for example, making investment decisions for artificial intelligence solutions is different to the traditional software business cases, if you like. Sometimes it's a bit harder to anticipate what the full benefits will be. Sometimes it's a surprise in the positive, sometimes maybe in the negative. So this makes it more difficult to get the investment and get the sort of senior executive buy-in for these solutions. I would like to think that artificial intelligence solutions are very much going to augment our existing workforce, not replace. So I wouldn't want to think about replacing our frontline service staff with a virtual assistant, but rather I would see them working together. So the virtual assistant will take some of the burden and then it'll work in close collaboration with the human assistants. Also, there are, of course, solutions where we can use artificial intelligence within the organization, not visible to the customer. So we can have different chatbots or different AI solutions providing information to the customer service staff, which means that then everybody in the customer service personnel has access to the same information immediately whenever they need it. So it's no longer a question of how long have you worked here, who do you know how to ask the right questions, but you just have all the information at hand whenever you need it. I have very much enjoyed this conference today, the TechNOVA conference. The speeches have been really interesting and it's been really nice to hear from so many different kinds of organizations, smaller and larger, and sort of providers and consumers of the solutions. So I think it's been a really fruitful day.